Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal here in Coach 1365 down in the desert. A beautiful coach to have down in a beautiful area at Outdoor Resorts Indio. This is a fantastic episode for you guys. Pre-recorded. I'm a little foggy with the voice because I've got these crazy allergies right now. Pardon the puffiness, but take a look. Pete Sutton behind the camera. Take a look at what's going on out here at Outdoor Resorts Indio. Pre-recorded because I wanted to show you this morning this massive event here. It's the end of year event that we hold every year at Outdoor Resorts Indio, and Marathon has graciously said they would sponsor this again. And here we have Jim Cogley here. Many of you guys know Jim. Jim, tell us about today's event.
Today's event is a going away celebration for Outdoor Resorts for our people, and yeah, it's as you can see, live band, lots of catered food, lots of people having a ball and going through this marathon coach.
Absolutely. Now this is an event that we've done several years,
yes.
And last year there was a huge turnout. This, I would say, is a bigger turnout.
I want to say 400 maybe now.
Yeah.
So large turnout.
And tell us about the band that's playing today.
Well, it's some local people that we've been friends with for a long time. Actually, one of the drummers here works here at ORI.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's a great band. They've been around a long time, and they do a lot of old rock and roll stuff, which everybody loves. So it's perfect.
Absolutely. So a big thanks to Marathon for sponsoring today's event and having 1365 down here.
You got the dancers going through.
That's right.
We're dancing now. We're dancing now.
But it's one of those things where there's so much good food and good drink and a good band out there. And La Quinta Brewery is also here with their poolside blonde. So we're going to go over and take a look at that in just a minute. Stick with us. We're going to pan through and walk through the actual crowd, take a look at the band, and we'll go outside and take a look at this beautiful coach. Jim, you've been coming down to the desert for many years. You've done a lot of these parties, and this is a beautiful coach to be able to show people today.
I tell you what, we got the weather too, Mal, so it's great weather.
Oh.
Everybody's out, everybody's enjoying it. Got a beautiful X3, showing off all the latest, greatest stuff that we do. So you can't beat it.
One of the things that always takes me about the outdoor resorts is these people are just so friendly, and it's friendly with themselves or together.
Yes.
There's it's like a family connection here.
This is a park that they love their pickleball, they love their events, and they do a lot of them, weekly. They have all kinds of stuff that's always going on at Outdoor Resorts, and the people they move it in a very large group. So it's a very friendly park.
It's not that this park is just so social, it's that they're social together. And there is a feeling of that here,
really
that you see that, and you don't see that in other parks.
And they love their marathons.
Yeah, they do. Oh, I don't know how many people have come up to us and thanked us for helping sponsor
they really have.
This event.
It's been great.
Awesome. All right, Jim, we're going to get out of your hair. We're going to roll out here. We'll be back in here in just a little bit. Come on, Pete. Let's go check this out. All right. One of the things I want to show you guys is we're giving away, as part of the raffle, are items like this. Aren't those beautiful? Now, this bottle is embossed. It's not just printed. It's embossed on there. Look at those beautiful, well, I don't have to tell Pete behind the camera because these are his design on these bottles. But I'm just so proud of Marathon and our marketing team for putting together all these great items that we get to raffle off at events like this. Including the latest Nike Flex Fit hats. Isn't that cool? All right, Pete, let's go this way. And here we are in front of Coach 1365, and I hope you can hear me with the music. how many people are truly here at this event. There's so much to see, so much to do. You got people rolling by on golf carts and mopeds and with their dogs. Let's take a look out here. Take a look down here at just how many people are here. I'll let you pan around, Pete. What a great band. Let's head this way, Pete, and we're gonna check out the La Quinta Brewery wagon. I call it the wagon, but it's actually a trailer. It's something we've had at several events, and it's really cool to be able to have that at this event because there's so many kegs inside. You know, we're not going to run out of the La Quinta Brewery special beers that they brought. All right, so there you go. The One More Por Favor, the Cactus Prick, and of course, Spring Break and Poolside Blonde from La Quinta Brewery. What a great selection. All right, let's head this way.
We went up to this place last year for the boat race.
So this is the food line. We're gonna go up here and move right in the line, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we're serving at this event. At this spread, guys. Okay, and the gentleman behind me, that's Crew. Crew is in charge of this catering team, and he makes some of the best catered food. We've had it at our events before, and this is Crew right here with the headband on. And it's just so great to have him at our events because his food is just really, really good. And from this point, I don't know if you can get, that's going to be some glare in that, here, let's go over here, Pete. I love your seats. So anyway, everybody, now we are back poolside here, right behind the band. Gives you a good opportunity to see just how beautiful the grounds are here at Outdoor Resorts Indio. And a big thanks to Cynthia and the entire staff for having us do this event. A big thanks to Pete Sutton and Sarah Fiddler and the rest of the marketing team at Oregon Marathon that helped us put everything together. For being Jim Cogley, it's really easy for us to do our job when we have such a supportive marketing team and a company like Marathon that is willing to put on events like this for our friends at ORI. But yeah, that's about it. I think these people have the best seats in the whole place. They're behind the stage, but they still get to enjoy it and also get to conversate without all the noise. Beautiful. All right. Hey. I've threatened to fall in this pool on video, but I'm not going to do it tonight, guys. Anyway, don't forget to be yourself and do good things. I'm going to get out of here, get back over to Coach 1365 and continue showing it to people. So a big thanks to Pete, who's been doing the camera here, and a big thanks to everybody at Outdoor Resorts. It's just a great event. It's been a great season. So until next time, aloha, everybody, and take care.